Hi everybody, Johnny here. Let's do some counting together. We'll need something to count, and we'll need a cat. How many dots are there? How many altogether? Let's organize them to see what we have. Let's put these together, and then we'll put these together, and we'll put these together, and these together. What do we have? How many here? How many here? How many here? And how many here? And how many altogether? Let's organize them a little differently. Let's put this one up here. We'll put this one down here, and look at how many of these we have. They should be together too. A couple of these. One more of these and another of these. What do we have here? Look, we have quite a few of these. Another one of those. One of these. Look at this. More of these. Just one of these and another one of these. Interesting. How many here? 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 And how many here? And how many altogether? Let's organize them. Let's take this one and make it friends with this. And this one, friends with this one. And this one, friends with these two. And let's see. These two can be friends. 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 And we might as well make all of these friends too. Let's not forget these. How many here? How many here? How many? How many? How many? How many? How many? How many? And don't forget these. How many altogether? What if we put these together, and we put these together, and these together, and these together? How many? How many? How many? How many? And then these two. How many altogether? And what if we went ahead and put these like this, and these like this? We'll keep them like this. How many up here? How many here? And then these. How many altogether? What if we put these together like friends like this, and we also put these together like this up here? How many are there and there? Let's hold on to that for a moment. And then we'll put this one in between. And what if we had these here and these here? Let's think about how many are there. And these down here, these will be friends, and this one will be by its lonesome. So let's go ahead and make all of these together. And let's go ahead and make all of these together. How many are here? How many are here? And this one too. How many altogether? Let's try this. What if these two were friends, and these two were friends, and those were friends, and these were friends, and these were friends, And then we'll go ahead and make these friends as well. And then we'll make these friends. And down here we'll leave this like this. How many here? How many here? How many here? How many? How many? How many? And how many? And how many across the top now? And let's go ahead and remember these and this one too. How many all together? Let's go ahead and make some just friends. All of these are friends now. And then let's go ahead and make all of these friends like this. And then let's go ahead and make all of these friends like this. And then this one and this one. Let's make them a little more tidy. We'll go ahead and put these up here. And then these. And then these. And then this last one. What do we have now? If we look at this one up here, how many are there altogether? How many? How many? How many? And don't forget this one. How many altogether? Let's make a train. Let's go ahead and make the start of the train this. Beginning of our good train. Remember how many are there? And let's go ahead and add these. How much in our train now? Let's add to our train. How many dots in our train now? And some more. How many? And let's not forget this one. How many dots are in our train now? How many altogether? I bet the cat knows. Do you?